Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you something genuinely exciting. It's a platform called 33Circle, and it combines automatic crypto trading with a built-in affiliate business system. Let me walk you through everything step by step. But first, before we begin, a quick note: this video is for educational purpose only. It's not a financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. So, we was getting started on 33Circle is simple. You will visit the platform, link has been given in the description of the video, and you will have to create your account. Activation requires a one-time affiliate fee of 33 USDT, and then you will have to add the first monthly subscription of 19 USDT, bringing your total activation on just 52 USDT, and for 6 months it's 114 USDT, and for 1 year you can check out its price has been mentioned here. So you can see that payment is made through the BNB Smart Chain, and you get a dedicated wallet address and a QR code. It's fast, secure, and nearly instant. So here you can check out the dashboard. Once you are inside, the dashboard gives you a complete picture. You can see your wallets, your trading accounts, and your overall performance all in one place. The interface is clean, dark themed, and easy to navigate. And here you can also check out its next feature, that is trades. Two options are available: Binance and Hyperliquid. We was the trading section connects to two major platforms. First is Binance, one of the world's largest centralized exchange, and here you can check out two options: spot and futures. So you can check out the dashboard, and all details have been provided here. And the next option is Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is a cutting-edge decentralized perpetual network. You can monitor live positions and track execution data across both from a single hub. And here you can also check out the next amazing feature, that is monthly analytics. So you can check out trade analytics, circle trade, and affiliate analytics, and you can also check out monthly breakdown, and you can also check out the ratio and the history. So we was my earnings section teach your gains transparent. You can track your commissions, affiliate rewards, and trading performance all in one view. Everything is clearly organized and easy to read. And the next section is wallet, and it comprised of 3 subsections: commission wallet, affiliate wallet, and circle trade wallet. So you can check out that 33Circle uses a structured multi-wallet system. Commission wallet, this tracks your instant network rewards, and you can also check out the affiliate wallet. This rewards your commissions on through the affiliate program. So here you can check out the transaction history and other details. And the third one is Circle Trade Wallet. So it's a wallet that manages your active trading capital. You are connected. Binance spot balance and open positions are also displayed right on the home screen. And here you can also check out the next amazing feature that I want to explain is My Circle. So you can check out the rank progress and the requirements. And here you can also check out the circle tree, and you can also check out genealogy. You can also check out the circle tree. So viewers, My Circle section shows your network. You can see who you have referred and how your team is going and where you stand in the community. It is your personal business hub inside the platform. So here you can also check out the next amazing feature is bonus pool and leaderboard. So viewers, this is where top performers are recognized. The platform features a competitive leaderboard with multi-reward categories. These include the Circle Network, Top Producer, Top Wealth Builder, and the Fortune Bra. The Top Producer bonus pool is a monthly reward pool for the community leading contributors. Real-time metrics and historical payouts records are both visible here. So you can check out Top Producer. First and second and third have been mentioned here. You can also check out the ranking, and here you can also check out all details about it. Top Producers bonus pool, their amount this month, previous month, and all time has been displayed here. So you can also check out the other amazing feature is blogs and the knowledge base, and you can also check out the 33Circle affiliate toolkit. The 33Circle does not just give you a business opportunity, it gives you the tools to run it. The affiliate toolkit includes ready-to-use logos, presentations, training materials, and invite scripts. There is also a knowledge-based and blog sections to keep you informed. Here you can see you do not need to build anything from scratch. Everything is already prepared for you. So viewers, if you want to utilize the amazing feature of 33Circle, you will have to sign up your account. The process is very simple. First off, all you will have to enter your full name, and then you will have to enter your username, and then you will have to enter your email and select the country. After it, you will have to enter a password and confirm the password. So after putting all this information, you will click on sign up, and within few seconds you will be able to sign up your account. So this is how you can register your account on 33Circle. 33Circle brings together automated trading and a structured affiliate system all under one roof. The subscription plans are straightforward. If you want to explore the platform, the link is given in the description of the video. You can be part of the referral program by copying the referral link and sharing it with your network on Facebook, X, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media communities. And take your time, review everything, and make the decision that is right for you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.